Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
On a crisp spring morning at the New Jersey Hub, the junior cricketers of RRANJ Apex and 22-yard strikers prepared for a duel that promised enchantment aplenty.
As the young warriors laced up, whispers of potential and anticipation buzzed through the crowd. The stage was set for a story of youthful exuberance in cricketing combat.
Spectators bore witness to a riveting narrative, one of undulating fortunes in moments so pivotal, they could have tilted the scales of destiny itself.
From the swing of the willow to the dance of the leather, it was the strikers who wove the tapestry of victory with threads of discipline and skill.
Amidst a cascade of wickets, the Apex bats stood like forts under siege, with Sturaman and Katula's brief alliance propping up the score before the strikers' onslaught.
The strikers' bowlers, led by masterful Kapadia, spun a web of maiden spells and precision, dismantling the Apex innings with tactical prowess.
Strikers marched to the crease with intent. Ashok Kumar and Eluri crafted a partnership effortless, almost poetic, heralding an inevitable conquest.
The Apex bowlers, though earnest in their quest, found little leverage against the strikers' bastions. Bansode's lone strike was but a consolation in the strikers' relentless march.
Kapadia, with his devastating spell, and Ralabhandi, through his miserly overs, became architects of the strikers' dominion. Eluri's bat spoke volumes without uttering a word.
The tales of this contest will echo Kapadia's name, and how Eluri, with his blade serene, inked the final chapter in the strikers' tale of triumph.
The strikers claimed victory by a margin as vast as the skies above, their 9-wicket triumph a testament to a day when everything they touched turned to gold.
A chorus of cheers greeted the climactic revelation, strikers victorious. For the Apex, a day to learn, for the victors, a day to etch in memory. As history would narrate, it was a joust that carved nascent heroes, whose exploits on this day will find their place in the annals of junior cricket.
And so concludes a tale of strikers' might and Apex resilience. As the players walk off, dreams of future encounters sparkle in their indomitable spirits.